Hey, it's Amy with WTI. If you're looking for a beautiful upgrade to your traditional vertical blinds, you're going to want to check these ones out by Heefen. These panels have given my kitchen a whole new look. My favorite thing about them is the light filtering textured panels. They look so pretty as the sun shines on them. You get this soft white glow. It's just beautiful. Installation was pretty straightforward. I really appreciate how customizable these blinds are. The track can be opened to the length that you need, anywhere from 42 to 74 inches. And then after mounting the track, you can measure the length you would like the panels to be. Mark it, cut it, and you place a strip of tape and place the bottom piece on. Then hang it up. The last part is attaching the pulley, and you're ready to use it. Look how pretty the cloth-like material is. I really love the white in that it brightens up the space and looks nice and clean. The tracks are very smooth and there's no catching, so pulling it open and closed is very easy. I love these panel blinds for my sliding glass doors, but I can see these being great for a room divider, window shades, or even closet doors. It gives a modern and stylish look to my living space and brightens my day every time I look at it. I think you're going to love it too. And that's my point of view.